Hi, in this video, I'm showing you this 120 color pencil set. Some of you who love coloring may have heard of this Polychromos dupe. I think it has that reputation because the packaging was clearly inspired by Faber-Castell Polychromos color pencils. It came in this cardboard box with 6 card sleeves of color pencils. For the first group of pencils, you get many shades of yellow pencils and a few orange and red tones. You can fold back the cover and use it as your pencil stand. Surprisingly, it seemed to work quite well, but I don't think it will last if you repeat this every day. Anyway, I think most people prefer to transfer their color pencils to a case, right? For the second group of pencils, the colors transition from red to pink and purple tones. These colors are absolutely gorgeous. Whoever loves purple colors can surely find great options in this set. For the third group of pencils, I started to see more blue, teal, and green tones. I love the varieties, especially in teal colors. For the fourth group of pencils, I see more greens and some brown colors. The darker green tones in this set are so unique. I haven't seen those in other sets I have. Next, we have a mixture of warm tones. Lastly, I see a big range of grey colors, including some warm and cool greys. I can tell you upfront that I love this so much, I have bought another set. These are not as popular as some other budget pencils we know, so I decided to get a backup in case they discontinue it. Before I purchased these pencils, I was also curious, wondering how similar these are to the Faber-Castell Polychromos. It took me a while before I ended up purchasing these. These are not as expensive as Polychromos, but certainly not cheap compared to others. After swatching some of these pencils, I compared them to my Polychromos, which are very different, in a good way. Polychromos are drier, and those pencils require you to layer to get a saturated color. The pencils from this 120 set are soft and creamy. They blend easier, and I don't have to layer the colors. Since these are softer pencils, I thought I would compare them to other color pencils. I was surprised when I noticed how similar they are to my Holbein color pencils. Holbein color pencils are some of the best color pencils, and the pencils from this 120 set are the closest I could find to match my Holbein color pencils. I'm glad I decided to buy this 120 set, because these are much more affordable compared to Holbein. I love the texture of these color pencils. They are not as soft as Prismacolor and are easier to use than the Polychromos color pencils. I'm simply amazed by the colors they included in this 120 set. They are thoughtful in designing this well-balanced set. Colors are unique and practical. I can pretty much use them to draw any subject. I understand everyone has their needs and preferences, so I will let you finish watching my swatching and decide if these colors work well for you. I wanted to share my review on my channel because when I was researching these pencils, I couldn't find much information or videos that talk about them. This set of color pencils doesn't seem to be under any branding. It just says 120 color pencils. I know they clearly get attention by looking like Polychromos color theme and branding, but I think they are more similar to Holbein. Before I finish this swatching and quick review video, I want to show you how these pencils perform in a coloring book. This page was from the Whimsical Architect coloring book. The paper quality is probably standard like many other coloring books on Amazon. Hopefully, you can see how vibrant the colors can be and how well they blend. I hope this helps and thanks for watching. Let me know if you have more questions about them.